Yogi, get off. Good girl.
Speed it up.
There's no reason to sleep it right now.
Whoa.
Yogi, get away.
Come here, Yogi. Come here.
She's getting everything, Yogi.
Speed it up.
Just wait. Good girl.
What do you got on? 1 mile an hour?
Yeah.
Go on 10.
No, I wouldn't do that to her.
Oh, yeah. I want to see a trot.
Look at Daddy, Boo-Boo.
Boo-boo. Watch where you're going. Faster. Atta girl, Boo-Boo. Faster. Come on, Boo-Boo. Faster. We're burning that fat off you. Faster. I want to see her run.
Not with the neck chain thing like this.
Oh, you just lift her up. Come on. Faster. Come on, faster, faster. Good girl. Faster. She's almost running. What is it on, 4?
It's on 2. I'm going to slow her down. She only started doing it.
Not even running. What are you doing? Why don't you shut it off?
You got a video?
It's easier that way.
Let me see.